In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account to Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're fully signed in. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that first so you can access your account settings without interruption. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to make sure the app or website has fully loaded, because that will make it easy to find the options you need. After you're inside your account, look for the Manage section and click on it. This area is where Remitly keeps important account and payment settings, so if you ever need to update how you pay for transfers, this is usually the place to go. When you open Manage, you should see several options related to your account. From there, click on Payment Method. This section lets you view your current payment options and add new ones when needed. If you're planning to send money directly from your bank, this is the step that connects that funding source to your Remitly profile. Next, click Add Payment Method. This will open the list of available payment options you can link to your account. Depending on your region or device, the layout may look a little different, but the wording is usually very similar, so just look for the option to add a new method of payment. When the choices appear, click Bank Account. This tells Remitly that you want to connect your bank instead of using another payment type. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the screen where you can enter your bank account details. At this point, carefully type in your account information exactly as requested. Make sure every detail is accurate before moving forward. Even a small mistake, like a missing digit or incorrect account number, can cause the connection to fail or delay your ability to use that bank account for transfers. It's a good idea to double-check everything once before submitting. If Remitly asks for additional bank-related information, simply continue filling it in as shown on the screen. Take your time and don't rush this part, because accuracy is the most important thing when linking any financial account. Once your details are entered correctly, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After that, your bank account should be added to your Remitly payment methods and ready to use, depending on any verification requirements Remitly may have. And that's how to link a bank account to Remitly.